Hello everyone, in today's video I will talk about English consonants. Before getting started, I want to talk about what we will learn from this video. Firstly, we will learn definition of consonant and consonant clusters and where they are used, clear L and dark L, silent letters in English, and to tell the difference between some similar sounding letters. Consonant clusters. Consonant cluster, consonant sequence, or consonant compound is a group of consonants which have no intervening vowel. For some non-native speakers, it is not natural to pronounce consonant clusters in English, like ST as in state, SK as in skate, or SP as in sport. Because of this reason, these non-native speakers add epenthetic vowels to their pronunciation, and with this way they break the cluster in two syllables. For example, they pronounce sport as sport to make pronunciation easier. Some non-native speakers deal with consonant clusters by deleting a consonant from the cluster. For example, they pronounced last week as last week. Let's take a look at some initial consonant clusters: bright, fly, clean, place, snail, queen, twin, play, pray, and shred. Difference between B and P. Some people can tell the difference between B and P because they are so similar. When you are pronouncing a word with P, you use your breath more, as in word pack. But when pronouncing words with B, you don't have to use your breath so much as in word back. With this example, you can tell the difference between B and P more easier. Clear L and dark L. When L precedes a vowel, you pronounce this L with the tip of your tongue by touching your tongue to your teeth, and this is called clear L. For example, leaf, black, and loose. When L precedes a consonant or occurs at the end of a word, you pronounce it with the back of your tongue, and this is called dark L. For example, pool, milk, and full. Why are letters sometimes silent in English? There are many reasons why sometimes we don't pronounce the letters. Letters may be left unpronounced because they occur in difficult sound combinations. For example, handkerchief. We didn't pronounce the letter because it's a different sound combination, so we say handkerchief to make it easier. A word may be borrowed from a language where the letter isn't pronounced. For example, an hour from un hour from French. Sometimes the consonant is actually pronounced in the donor language, but pronouncing it does not fit English phonological rules. For example, psychology, taken from Greek word psychologia. Words with silent letters: muscle, Wednesday, come, honest, marriage, night, aisle, listen, rest, answer. As you can hear, we didn't pronounce the words with red color. Different pronunciation ways of CH. Pronounced ch, church, beach, research, approach. Pronounced K, Christmas, chemistry, chaos, monarchy. Ache, headache, stomach, psychology, chronic. Pronounced champagne, machine, cliche, charade. Also, we have schooler, shame, schedule, not pronounced yacht. Words with final consonants. One final consonants: grab, neck, sick, help. Two final consonants: grab, next, six, expect. Three final consonants: helps, next, context, stamps. Four final consonants: glimpse, sequences, love, left, neck, next, next, again, against, risk, risk. Syllable final consonants, loudly, shoulder, breakfast, and express. Words and phrases with th, with think, theater, 13, thirsty, with there, this, that, these, with t, Thomas, Thompson, Thailand, time. Nouns with th versus verbs with the, breath, to breathe, cloth, to clothe, teeth, to teeth. Phrases, tell truth, happy birthday, through thick and thin, throw in the towel. Difference between these three letters: guitar, dialogue, figure, organization, pleasure, decision, television, usual, giraffe, age, judge, and soldier. Many of us know this G in guitar, but we are not familiar with this and this. You can hear this word as J or Z. For example, pleasure and television. This letter is pronounced as G, giraffe, age. Pairs with S and Z, word initial, su, zoo, sip, zip, seal, zeal. Word medial, muscle, muzzle, muscle, muzzle, fussy, fuzzy. Word final, advise, advise, rise, rise, eyes and eyes. Some non-native speakers, it is hard to differentiate R and L. For example, Japanese people find it very hard to differentiate these two letters because in Japan, R is not the same as R in English or L in English. It is pronounced something in between these two letters. To tell the difference better, let's take a look at the examples. Rise, lies, play, pray, belly, berry, leader, reader, angle, anger, loyal, royal, right, light, collect, and correct. V, F, W, and B. These are four similar letters. Let's take a look at their examples. V, very, when, verse, was. F, safe, ferry, few, fan. W, west, wet, wine, wane. B, berry, boat, best, curb. Sh and ch, word with sugar, ship, machine, fish, controversial, discussion, issue. Words with change, achieve, teach, kitchen, match, question, and nature. Minimal pairs with sh and ch, cash, catch, crush, crutch, mush, much, ship, chip, sheep, cheap, sheet, cheat, shoes, and choose. So that's the end of my video. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned some new things. See you in my next videos. Bye.